Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find security and location. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced, and here we have to scroll down again and find encryption and credentials. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it, and your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the contents, so simply tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or PIN, then enter it to confirm, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.